We are pleased to show you the 2017 Enclave. The Enclave offers 3 rows of seats, standard. Not only is it roomy and stylish, but Buick really did its homework on this vehicle. They did not cut any corners and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, 4-wheel disc brakes, heated steering wheel, Sirius satellite radio, tachometer, driver vanity mirror, front bucket seats. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.